3 महिना अगाडि आएर सफा त्यो सानो उसमा आउँछ त्यो पानी भिजेपछि कराउँछ क्रस घुम्ने हुन्छ होइन पानी पसेपछि कराउँछ
What is the village that we are going, brother? What is the village that we are going?
We are going to Bude.
Bude. Yeah. Okay. Yes, brother. Yeah. I could able to see. We are going to
the place where Saradev's there is a smoke pin of the mountain on the top.
Yes.
That is the place where Saradev works. Church is actually.
Okay. Everywhere we see mountains, and also, because of the rains, everywhere the waterfalls and the springs were opened up. See the rains and the landslides, the waterfalls. We are going uphill. Almost we are reaching on top of the mountain. This is one village, right, brother? This is one village. Ratamato. This is Ratamato village, and some houses here. And Pastor Sahadev, he has to go.
No, this way.
Yeah. Okay.
Pastor Sahadev is for the mountain on that side.
Okay. The other side. Okay.
So I walk this way.
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Moore, many times. And up to the place where we're going, all the place I covered before it comes, the 20 would show. It was complete jungle, all the mines were there at this time. They walked all this way to the and they walked steps on this side. At the time there were no roads in this area. Everywhere you have to go by walking. Wherever you want to go, you have to go by walking. It's clouds.
They are clouds. You see on
Down to our home itself, sister.
top of the. You see on top of the mountain, we are just passing through these clouds, and the clouds are coming up, and we see that this is completely covered by the clouds.
The cloud water itself.
Yeah. If you
Like all this.
see clouds,
What?
yeah, clouds, everywhere clouds. We are almost reaching top of the world.
Top of the world.
We have entered into the rough road, and this road is completely gone. And it's fine. It is the vehicle is driving 4-wheel drive, the off-road. Oh. You see this entire road got damaged because of the rains and the streams. The water continues to flow, and that damaged the roads. It's a continuous problem. It's a continuous problem. In this mountain zone, and this surprisingly the soil is a lot of sand and stones.
No, it's
Clay. Yeah. Clay.
धेरै जबरसी गर्दा पर्ने है हेर्नु सक्छ भने फेरि पानी पऱ्यो भने गाह्रो हुन्छ कि हुँदैन भने हेर्नुहोस् है परिस्थिति मिल्यो भने जाउँ छैन भने त बनाउनु पर्ला है हजुर No, but we used to, sister. It's
We got down here because the road has become lot damaged. So in order to walk up to that hill, we got down, and then he may follow us with the vehicle. Yeah, we have to see how far the road is disturbed, damaged. You can see the clouds going on. Manche khai, yeah. Because the road is damaged, we are trying to put the rocks and make the road little even so that the vehicle can go. John, Dorothy, and Pastor and our brothers, they're all trying to put the stones. I'm also doing that. And then we will slowly, the vehicle will go in that area. Yes. Here, the road. Yes.
Here we must put more.
Yes.
It's more.
All of us are busy in the paving the road, the damaged road. Yeah. No need to pull them off, because while returning we have to go that side or some other way.
We can also go from this side.
Yeah.
but that is much more damage. Sister. Not damage actually. That is unpaved road. But actually, while getting back to the drains, the vehicle would not stop anywhere.
Okay.
Going like slippery would be.
ठीक छ.
Very struggle. But still, like we passed to Barbis actually.
You can see the clouds going, clouds coming. We are in clouds actually. We are in clouds. Coming, it's coming. It's the clouds are coming. Yes. Yes, yes, we see some birds.
Come, clouds. Come, clouds.
Now, yes, now we are taking this road bumpy off. It's not even off, it's almost. So you see small landslide here, and the road got damaged because of the streams. Oh my god, this is very
The road, the tire is still sleeping.
Yes.
Even by driving, four-wheel driving.
yeah,
It's slippery.
yes, it's slippery. And okay, so slowly praise God, the vehicle is able to pull it up. Yes, they can see the road. How was it? Okay, it's difficult. It's not easy to drive on such roads there, because experienced and habituated to drive in these roads, and they could able to do it without any fear. The sound,
This is the golden berry tree.
Yes. This is a half-finished road, and
माथि कस्तोमा भइहाल्छ
यहाँनिर माथि यत्रो माथि तेर्सो छ
त्यसो भइहाल्छ
तेर्सोमा कस्तो छ त्यहाँनिर पर
मलाई याद छ यहाँ
somewhere.
याद छ
याद छ
कहिले आएको?
पहिला नै आएको
हो र होइन
हो आएको याद छ
कोसँग आएको त
अस्ति
कोसँग आएको होला ल भन त कोसँग आएको होइन होला ए हो नि है पुल पार तोर गयो है हो हो एकदम
अनि
ठिक
त्यहाँ उस बेलुन पनि पुरा
हो हो ठिक ठिक ठिक
This balloon race is like very funny, brother.
बेलुन ल्याइ आज
whenever you get to
बेलुन ल्याइ आज
Yeah.
गोलो खालको छैन लामो खालको छ
ल्याएछ मामा नि एउटा उडाउँछु ल
हुन्छ
Okay. He wants his balloon to win the race. Huh?
Wait. No, let's see. This can be sister. Manageable. You can go on this side. That's why like 3 months of ministry would be completely off sister. July, August, September. Our
Yeah.
efforts outside would be very much
What's
less.
the Maman Garcha?
Because like roads should be like this only.
Maman Garcha,
So they
what's
can't
that?
just take a vehicle and just simply go.
Why not?
But anytime it can get stuck. And so they would not be willing to come also.
Pakka
So
ho
when
na,
they
Ibra?
reach the work, and once again October onwards only we can go once again outside.
र यहाँ चिप्लिने ठाउँमा सोलिङ गरेको छैन हो यहाँ चाहिँ अलिकति गरेको छ जङ्गल हिँड्नु छ
Jungle.
जङ्गल एभ्रिवेयर
We're not going to jungle. We are in the jungle.
Yeah. Everywhere there is jungle.
We're not looking at the
2 years
clouds.
back, means like last year also we came,
Yes,
but
sir.
this 2 years back, sister, they came and gave like all the necessary goods for the people of this area. Like, they brought notebooks and other materials like which are useful for ladies also. They distributed to these people here.
अब होइन हामी अलिक
Yes,
पर
yes.
हिँडेर गएको थियो है अनि कति धेरै हिँडेको
No
हामी
modesty here, no modesty.
हामी यही बाटोहरू कति धेरै पनि हिँडेको थियो है
Only they can't do this.
अलिक उस्ता माथि
भन्छ अनि आज बिहान के खाऊ
मैले पास्ता
पास्ता होइन अलिक हलाइसकेछ नि
We're not going to the clouds. The clouds are not coming to us, but we are in clouds.
The clouds are everywhere.
Clouds are everywhere. We see.
You
We'll look.
cannot see the things
मौसम
that
बिग्रियो नि सर है
are
यति राम्रो देख्थ्यो
हाम्रो
जान्छ होला घरि यो
If it is open to the you could have
Yeah.
seen very beautiful view of it. But now it is completely closed.
See, you can see. It's completely covered by
मलाई आउँदैन
clouds, and they're saying that we can see very beautiful scenery, but the clouds were not there. The clouds.
बाटोमा त
ठिक छ सब ठिक छ
मैले यस्तो बाटोमा चल्नु
आराम छ जाने हो नि सर गर्नु भएन
You can look at.
यहाँ मुत्नुपर्छ
यताबाटै मोड्न पर्छ
Yस्तो
यहाँ मोड अलिकति यहाँ पछाडि गरेर मोड्नु पर्छ एकपट्टि ओर्लिनुपर्छ ओर्ने ढुङ्गा हाल्नु पर्छ अलिकति
Yeah, now he can cut.
सर है
This is like
यो नचलाउ बाबुलाई घेर ल
जन के नछु है
नछुने त्यहाँ है त्यहाँ भने चाहिँ गाह्रो हुन्छ फेरि हेर्नु
छुयो भने त अब तिमी चलाउनु पर्छ गाडी
स्टोन रखेंगे पसंद
यहाँ अलिकति आली भने
टाई बेटा मोर टाई की
होइन
नजिकै छ भने
सर मोबाइल फुटेन आइज हो र त
होइन त्यो होइन के भन्नु त्यतिमा के भइहाल्छ
कहाँ झऱ्यो आप्पा?
त्यहाँ माटोमा
एकचोटि यो हनुमान क्या दियो त
So this lake means the upper region can rain anytime. That is
Okay.
you see the difference in the climate
Yes,
compared to
brother.
Barbise in this place actually.
Yeah.
So it rains heavily here than Barbise. So that's why all this like no damage that happens at any time. So and the monastery area is much higher than this one.
Okay.
So that's why like it got damaged severely. So we were not able to go there. Otherwise, my whole intention was to take
Yes,
you there
brother, yes,
and taking the Bible also with me and using the chance to give a Bible to them.
Yes.
But actually, already we given audio Bibles, 5 audio Bibles to them, but we have 2 printed Bibles. But they can't take this like maybe little later, maybe I think next year we have to do that. Okay, we crossed most of the issues.
यहाँ डर थियो छैन
Ah. And these people are living here
Yeah.
in this
Look over there,
mountains.
such a big.
They do come. Yeah, big mushroom is carrying.
Here, there is a lot
Yeah,
of
no.
mushrooms here.
Yeah.
You can find in the forest.
Brother, how often they come downstairs? Like they come down
Nowadays,
to...
lot, brother.
Yeah.
On when I was
And
like, when I was on the period like for maybe 15 years back,
Yeah.
it's about like
Kunan Daurin, yeah.
old people would never come down, brother.
Okay.
They would like live and die here.
Okay.
And like
Uncle
the children would come down after age of 4 only
Uncle
because they can't climb back to
हाम्रो धेरै पिसाब गरे है
Okay.
and like the others also maybe 3 months once, like 5 months once, only they'll come down, brother. But
Okay.
now it's lot because the vehicles are lot, like there are lot of boleros like this
Right.
coming and going, and even Patna walks through the here.
Pata?
Patao.
Aha, Pata.
Yeah, but actually not in the app, not by the app actually. But
Okay.
the local people themselves like call themselves Patao, and then like they send people from here, take people
Okay.
from here to Bharat and grab them back.
Oh, okay.
Like 500 rupees to go down,
Oh,
500 rupees to come up by bike.
by bike.
Yeah.
यहाँ हो यस्तो ठुलो भइरहेछ यार
Where else?
Some landslide.
यस्तो है बमको छ
Small landslide.
यो चाहिँ कति छ त
Bangubra.
यो फेरि
हजुर
भन्नै भइहाल्यो अब मान्छ नै के भन्नु है पहिला त भन्नु त्यसै हो
भन्नु
म पनि त्यसै त दाइ म 20 वर्ष अगाडि आउँदाखेरि त्यसरी हो तरकारी मात्रै कुरा अरू केही छैन राम्रोसँग सोध्ने कुरै छैन माओवादीको पालो
We are going to that village which is on the opposite mountain. There's a long
लु
bridge of almost half a kilometer between these mountains.
Very scared.
Yeah, auntie is scared. You see, you have to tell her, don't get scared.
That's the bridge.
Yeah,
very,
this
very
bridge, very long suspension bridge that we have to cross over.
It's
And,
very deep.
We are on the top of this mountain and almost.
But down that bridge is very deep, and down there is like a Amazon jungle.
Ah,
Seem like Amazon jungle.
there is like Amazon jungle, it seems. And Dorothy seems to enjoy.
valley.
Say hi, Dorothy. Hi.
camera
कस्तो छ ठिकै छ यो कता जाने हो अहिले अहिले हामी कता जाने हो डोरती ब्रिजसँग कस्तो कसरी
You will buy it, yeah. You'll buy it if you want to try it.
No, brother.
They do.
यतासम्म ल्याउन लागि प्रभुलाई हामी धन्यवाद दिन्छौँ त कति राम्रो सुन्दर ठाउँ हो So we are fighting what to carry. We are all planning to give all the bags to Rachel that she will carry. Yeah. Ah, this is kind of long.
350 meters actually.
Yes.
So 350 to 700 meters, almost a kilometer.
1 kilometer. Mm. So this is 350 meters.
Yeah.
350 meters.
Last day.
We are going this 350 meters bridge place deep in the jungle, we can see, and almost it is untouched. It said that during nights tigers and foxes will come. There's no habitation, nobody lives here, and this jungle and this kind of deep jungle. You see, we are going to that village up on the mountain. Climbing up to the hill. Yeah.
नीरज हो सँगै पढ्ने साथी को चाहिँ आइज नानी आइज आऊ
खेल खेल
लङ्बा सेपिन्बा काउ क्लाङबासे
It's the Bang language.
या के दाइ त्यसो भने त
ए खेल्ने कुरा दिँदैछ दिन भने
आइज आइज
खेल्ने कुरा
आऊ न आऊ दिउ
Klangba say cow.
डर दिनु दिनु
हेर्ला यहाँ यसरी उडाउँछ
दिनु दिएर दिउ
अन्धारोमा चाहिँ यो पानी
Dikans, dikans.
यो अहिले अलिकति के यो अलिकति मान्दैन रहेछ कुकुर
यहाँ खानु माग्यो क्या यसले ल है ल रातु ल ल आइज आइज ल आइज बिचारा आइज आइज ल आइज आइज आइज
ए दाइ दाइ नजाऊ न यता आऊ न आऊ न यता
Hans, Hans.
आऊ तिमीहरू पनि आऊ
నువ్వు తిను బేబీ తర్వాత పెడదాం
लुकेको वाला त
అవి కొట్టుకుంటాయి ఎందుకంటే నువ్వు గుడ్డు తిను ముందు పెరుగు తర్వాత తిందు పెరుగు తర్వాత తిందు గుడ్డు తిను
यसले डक्छ कि
గుడ్డు తిను ముందు
टोक्ने
one this one brother
ఓకే
sister maybe also take part
यसुको प्रेमको आकाशमा जस्तै उड्न चाहन्छु यसुको प्रेमको आकाशमा
राम्रोसँगले डान्स कसको आउँछ
ल कसलाई एकदम राम्रोसँग नाच्न आउँछ
नाच्न
स्कुलमा नाच्छौ त तिमी
one of them is like Rima student actress
3 or 1 2 3 ओके ल फेरि 1 2 जसले राम्रो नाच्छ उसलाई फेरि अर्को पाउँछ गीत
गुडिया पाउँछ
गुडिया पाउँछ त्यस्तै पाउँछ त्यस्तै पाउँछ ल
ल नाच्छ ल पाउँछ ल
3 गुडासम्म होइन गुडासम्म होइन कमरसम्म होइन
चुलुमै डुब्न चाहन्छु यसुको प्रेमको सागरमा चुलुमै डुब्न चाहन्छु
यसुको
प्रेमको सागरमा भङ्गेरी जय होइन जुरेली जय होइन भङ्गेरी जय होइन जुरेली जय होइन ची जस्तै उड्न चाहन्छु यसुको प्रेमको आकाशमा
You teach them some English song?
चाहन्छु
Mana nerpicha kada.
प्रेमको आकाशमा
Sunday school.
लगनले नाच्नु भयो राम्रो
Ah.
कसले राम्रो नाच्नु भयो हजुर उहाँले
Joy, 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 joy in the world.
Where joy in my heart, where joy in my heart, I've got the joy, 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 joy,
Joy in my heart.
to stay, and I'm so happy,
So very happy. And
got the love of Jesus in my heart. And
I'm so happy and very happy. Okay.
वाला हेर्नु है
no problem. अर्को easy वाला के
Easy.
वाला चाहिँ सिकाउनु
Easy wala. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. Oh,
wonderful love. It is so
so high. Can't get over it. So high. We can't get over it. So high.
we can't get.
नरकमा जानको लागि मान्छेको पाप र पुण्य हुन्छ नरक आशै भन्न पर्दा मान्छे कोही पनि कासै पुण्य गरेको छैन अब पापी नै छ त्यसै भएको कारण नरकमा जान पर्छ भन्ने बाजेसँग कुरा गरेको थिएँ मैले यसकारण एउटा मात्र बाटो छ त्यो चाहिँ ख्रीष्ट येशूमा छ यसलाई विश्वास गर्न स्वर्ग जान मिल्छ भने भन्दै थिएँ मैले ठ्याक्कै बाजे मलाई रोक्यो है बाजेले द्याट लक्ष्मण तामाङ ग्रान्ड डाटर
Aha.
बाजेले मलाई रोक्नुभयो रोकेर भन्नुभयो मैले भनेको कुरा सत्य हो कि होइन भन्नुहोस् है उहाँले बाजे के भन्नुभयो मलाई बाबु हो बाबु म पनि एकपल्ट मरेको थिएँ नि भन्नुभयो पछि के भयो बाजे भन्दाखेरि त एक दिन त म मेरो प्राण गयो मेरो छोराहरूले सबैलाई काठमाडौँबाट बोलाउन पठायो अझै छोराहरू आउन्जेलसम्म पर्खी बस्ने बेलामा चाहिँ म फेरि बिउजी म त्यति बेला चाहिँ मैले कासै भन्न पर्दा माथि एक ठाउँमा गएँ हिँड्दै जाँदाखेरि पुरै मरुभूमि जस्तै थियो त्यो ठाउँमा जाँदा जाँदा जाँदै ठुलो दहमा आइपुगेँ है त्यो लक्ष्मण बाजे कुरा लक्ष्मण पछाडि बोल्छु कि पानी पर्नु के हो है
यहाँबाट पो आउनु
दुई दिन चर्चमा आयो रस खानु पाउँदैन रहेछ भने भाइ भाइ
ए हुन्छ ए
रस खानु नदिन्छ जाँड खानु नदिन्छ हामीलाई
के चाहिँ भयो जिउ निकाल आने होइन जिउमा भएको जिउ यस्तो गऱ्यो भने जिउबाट सत्य निस्केर आउँछ परकुमानको फोटो देखेको छैन उसले
मलाई रियल